So last class we are talking about that subqueries and joins, right? So again I'm repeating because of yesterday it got suddenly got disconnected. So we'll go for a one more time. Okay. So before going, just I'll take the notepad. See, this is very important. See, if you know this, then only you can able to write the any queries. Let me close this. I'm opening notepad. Okay. So here subqueries. Okay. And joins. So what is the difference between joins and subquery? That is a basic questions we need to understand first. Okay. Then we'll talk about the more depth on that subquery and joins. Then we'll go for a interview questions. First subquery. How will you write the subquery? Let's say just I'm taking one example. Okay, for better understanding. So select star from one table. So let's say it's a EMP table. Okay, where department number equal to, again I'm writing the one more select statement. So within this, select department number from department where the D name equal to some department name. Let's say department math, I can say math. Okay. This is the simple way of writing the subquery. So subquery is nothing but remember this point. So we'll go for execution steps. Okay. So you connected, this is the your laptop, office laptop. This is your database. Okay. So you are connecting the TNS and you install at the Oracle client, everything. We already discussed. Now, if we join from any session, for example, one session, you are able to see, right? All that these things. In between, there is a buffer. Okay. So in the buffer, so what it will do, right? What are going to instruction to the DB? It will be first, it will be there here, then it will allow. What are we are getting from the DB to the user? First, it will be stored here, will be given here. So it is common for every connection. Yes. So if you connected same database, same user, everybody has a some space. Who will take care of these things? Oracle, it will take care of this. You no need to worry. Okay. First point. So this is the out of that the subquery joins, but it is important for us. Okay. Hello. Able to hear, right?
Yeah, we are able to hear. Okay.
Now, now, if any query, okay, if any query, first see there is a it is a, this call is a parsing. So every query, the parsing will happen. Okay, so you write this query here, okay, and you send it to here. So here, what will happen, right? In the buffer, first from class will execute. Remember these things. Any query. So if I want to go for a execution, so it will split. So how it will split? First from class will execute. So what is the, if we execute the from class, what is the purpose of it will execute in the from class, right? It will go into the EMP table. Okay. Whether EMP table is present or not in the database. It is present, then we have a proper grants to see or not. So both is available. The whole EMP table will come and sit here. That's it. It will not go to the database again. Okay. You understood, right?
Yes, yes.
Or already
Yeah, you're asking something? So first time it will go to the database, it will keep writing into the EMP table. That's it. Next time it will, because this connection will be not active, it's a deactive. So it is not terminated, it's a deactive. Okay. So done. So why it will happen? Same time, same table, this person also doing the insert statement and this person is using the select statement. So what it will do, right? The time of execution, what are the rows available in the table, it will keep writing it here. The remaining rows, it will keep on inserting. So that kind of, problematic if you want to resolve. So this is the best approach Oracle is following. Okay. First thing. So you taken this here from class. Then where class. So in next time where class, where you will execute, right? It will not go to the DB. It will not go to the DB. So where it will go? I'll keep here. Where it will go? It will come here. It will verify in this memory set or table whether we have a department column table data is there or not. Department number column is present or not. If it is present, okay, it is present, then what will happen, right? It will look for the value. Which value I need to search? Again, there is a one select statement. So if any select statement first, which class will execute? From class will execute. Again, it will go to the department. Then immediately it will tell to this one. Department table, we have to take from the DB active. So then it will take the department table here. So again, and from class will verify whether the table is present or not, whether we have a proper grants or not. Understood? So then in where class, D name equal to math. So it will verify the where class D name is column is present. Then it will search for a math. First, it will match or not. So again, it will match or not. So it like that. This column value, the math is matching or not. If it matches, then it will take that entire row. We'll keep writing here. So that row again here in the select statement, finally select statement will execute which class, which column we are selecting, department number. So in this row, only department number, this department number, it will go here. Only department number, it will go here. It will verify whether department number, whatever the department number for maths, it will be present or not. Always verify all the columns. Okay. For example, we have 1 lakh rows. So it will go and verify the 1 lakh rows. Okay. So time being, you go for a 1 lakh rows, but I will tell you how to skip that. Okay, for the index, how to get the best performance. But the process Oracle inside, what is happening? This is the happening. So finally, again, the select statement will be executed and it will show you into your tool. What are the data you are putting the select star, right? So all the star. So here, few things we need to observe. What are the few things? How many from class will execute? Two times will execute. So where is sir? First one is EMP, second one is department. How many where class will execute? Two where classes. How many select statement will execute? Two classes. So if you use the subquery, just a simple subquery, basic subquery, query within a query, how many times, how many queries will be there? That many times it is repeating. Understood up to here? Any questions? The definitions, we will get it in Google, we will get it in here. But inside this knowledge is very important. Okay. Let me know if you are not understanding. I'll repeat one more time. Or else, wherever you're strucking, let me know. From there, that point onwards, I am start explaining. If you're okay, then I'll go for a next step. Okay. If you are okay, right?
Yes. Sir, repeat it once.
You want to repeat one more time?
Yes, sir.
See, if any connection, right? If you see, for example, this query, select star from EMP where. So first, if you take this query, first from class will execute. it will go to the database, it will keep writing into the entire EMP table. It is 1 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore, 1 GB data, 2 GB data, doesn't matter. It will keep writing into here. So it will keep writing here. Then where class will execute. In where class, what it will do, whether the department number is present or not, it will verify. Whether it's present, then after select statement, again, after equal to, again there is a one more select statement. So that process will be stopped here only. Then again from class will execute, inner query will execute. Okay. So then winner query, what will happen? First from class it will execute, it will take the department number here. Then where department, so D name is in this department table, whatever we are taking from database, keeping into the memory. So whether we are D name is present or not, it will verify. It is present, then it will search for a math. So first it will execute that result set, pass it into another query, the department number equal 10, then again whole EMP table will be verified. So it is matches rows, it will keep writing it here. So which means there is a two queries. How many from class will execute? 2 times. How many select statement will execute? 2 times. How many where class will execute? 2 times. So how many queries we are writing? That many times it is repeating. Understood? So next same query will convert into join. So that time how it will be the execution, we'll check now. So that when we will go for a types of subqueries and types of joins and set operators. Okay. So now the same thing I'm writing into join condition. I'm converting the subquery into join condition. Okay. Here also select star from EMP E, department D, where E dot department number equal to D dot department number and D name equal to math. This is a query I convert into join condition. So now this time what will happen? This is a user, right? First here also from class will, any query from class will execute first. In from class, directly it will go and verify the EMP table and keep writing into EMP table here. Then department also it will take. After that, it will forget this name is EMP and department. So what it will take? It will take EMP instead of EMP E. Instead of department D. This is temporary alias name. Temporary in the sense only for this execution. After next execution, if you give, it will take, or else it will not take. So these two tables will be, name will be changed, department as a D and employee table as a E in the buffer. Then the connection will be deactivated. So then again we'll search. First where class. So first it will start the where class. Then and. So here first we'll go for a department number, E dot department and D dot department. So for example, here I'll take the department number. Then here also I'll take the department number. First it will check whether the primary key foreign key relation will be there in the department and E dot department and D dot department. For example, there is no primary key foreign key relation. So that time what will happen? So it will verify what is the less size. So less size in the sense less rows. For example, department number, we have a 5 department. Okay. 5 department I have. But in this employee 5 department, 25 employees are there. So which table has a less rows? Which table has a less rows? Department. So it will take the department 1 row, then it will matches. Again, it will take the second row, it will matches. Third row, it will matches. All what are the matching rows will be keep writing into one more memory. This is called result set. From there, select star. Select star in the sense both the table columns, what are the columns available here, it will take and display into here. Now, From class, how many times executed here? Only one time. Where class, how many times will executed here? Only one time. So select statement, only one time. So which one is the faster? Subquery or join? Based on this one only, you can compare, you can guess. So join
Join.
is much more faster. You know reason? So the query executing only one time. In the subquery, two times.
2 times.
So if anyone asks, if you are a 4 and 6 plus, is a very good technical person, first they will ask which one is the best choice to use subquery joins. Okay. And one more thing, subquery joins both will include in one query also. It is normal. What I'm trying to say, whatever the join condition we writing, and in join condition there is a one more subquery also we can write. In the subquery we can write the joins, vice versa. But most of the time, joins only, on top of that joins we can write the subqueries. Okay, up to here understood, right? Now, how many types of subqueries are there? Single row subquery, multi-row subquery, correlated subqueries. Okay, so then joins. How many joins are there? This is very important. Joins. Let me drag here. Here joins I'm taking. Joins are equi-join, non-equi-join, self-join. Okay, equi-join, non-equi-join, self-join, and left outer join, right outer join. See, remember, full outer Oracle will not support, but ANSI standard we can achieve full outer join. Okay, full outer join, cross join, semi join. Okay, so we'll start today. We'll discuss about theoretically what is what. Then we'll go tomorrow. We'll go for a practical. So can I jump into that subquery or joins? Which one is yours? You preferred?
Joins is better.
Joins is better. Correct. We'll go for a joins. You no need to by head everything. Okay, I'll give the notes, definitely, sure. But make sure, please stay with here. Okay. So first thing, equi-join. This is an example of equi-join. The Y means equal operator. So we'll go for it. So now I'm drag this. Okay, I'm taking this one more page. This time I'll only I'll only take the buffer area. Okay, you are familiar with the database and connection. I'm taking the buffer area. This is buffer. This buffer between database and you system, your laptop or anything. Okay, so the buffer area. So this is, we'll take the instruction and it will give the instruction. In DB also, this buffer will be mediator between the DB and user. Okay, just equi-join I'm talking. So same table I'm taking. Then see, remember here is the more important and more useful. Okay, equi-join. So what Oracle says, this is one table. So let's say EMP table. I'm taking the department table. For timing, I'm taking the two tables, but real time multiple tables, different tables, because based on your company, it will be changed. Okay. So here is the department number. Here is the hire date. Here is the e-name and salary. I'm taking a few columns for best example. Okay. This is D for a department number. I'm keeping here. So in the department table, D is the department number, and and e-name and the department name. Okay. So let's say data I have one, department number one, department number two, department number three. I'm taking only 3 rows for more clarification. Here, this employee belongs to department one, and this employee belongs to department two. My new company, so not yet hiring the people for the department third. Okay, like this, I have take one more. If you want, I can take one more. So equi-join in the sense, say first to join condition, it will verify 1 equal to 1 or 1 equal to 1, yes, matches. 1 equal to 2, not matches. 1 equal to 2, not matches. So which means first row, it will match here. And also it will match here. And also it will match like this. So how many rows are matches? 2 rows are matches. 2 row ID will be here. So row ID is nothing but the address of your row. Okay. 1 and 2. Next, second value it will take from the department and comparing 1 equal to 2, no, 1 equal to 2, no, 2 equal to 2, 2 equal to 2, yes, matches. So which means 2 times here come. 2 times will come here in this data. Again, 3. 1 equal to 3, no, 1 equal to 3, no, 2 equal to 3, 2 equal to 3, no. So it is not matches. How many rows are matches here? In department 1, 2, it repeating 4. So 4 rows will be come here for equi-join. Why we call as a equi-join? You are putting the equal operator. Okay. Understood the equi-join? Same example. Just now we are discussing it. Same thing I'm repeating here because that is also best example for equi-join. Now non-equi-join we'll talk. Non-equi-join in the sense instead of let me go here. So I want to know the people who joined between the people between 1 year. So let's say that time what will have, I'll remove this. Let me, I'll put here under hire date. Equi-join, non-equi-join, self-join, left-outer join, cross-join, all in one query only. It will not going to separate. Remember, don't get confusion. One query, same query, equi-join I can write. On top of that, non-equi-join I can write. On top of the self-join I can write. On top of that, left-outer join I can write. On top of that, sub-query also I can write. All are same query only. You getting my point? Hello? It is not separate. Hello?
Yes.
Yeah, it is not separate. Okay. Finally, I will show you that example. Okay. Here,
Yes.
okay. Between other than equal operator, if you use anything between some, let's say sys date minus 360 last year, right? And sys date. So this part will comes under non-equi-join. So what is the difference between equi-join and non-equi-join? Equi-join, we will use the equal operator. Other than equal operator, any operator we can use, that is called non-equi-join. Understood?
Yes.
Make it. This is the way we need to write the query in real time. Okay. All in like this. This is the format the people will go. Here also, this is the way we need to write. All classes will be one side, all the conditions will be one side. Okay, next we'll go for a left outer join. So left outer join, right outer join, we'll discuss more. So same, see, if we'll go for a here, left outer join. So how to write the left outer join? I'll put one more uncondition. Okay. Same, this one I will take. Same thing I'm taking here. Left outer join means you need to put a right side plus symbol. Equal operator, braces, plus symbol. Remember, left outer joints. How to write the syntax? Right side we need to put the plus symbol. Just I'm taking the blind rule. What about the left outer? Left outer join if you want to write. Right outer we need to plus the symbol. Right outer join if you want to write opposite way. Okay. This time, how it will be the execution? That is the most important. So we'll go for here. I'll remove this. Okay. So I have I have a data 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So in the department I have a 1, 2. Okay. So here, based on the plus symbol, so based on the symbol, we will get to know EMP and department left outer join. So which means this is EMP E and department D. Okay, EMP E department D. So this time what will happen, right? Here equal operator, which means equi join. So equi join in the sense 1, 2. So 4 record. So 1 matches, not matches, matches, not matches, and matches. So how many rows matches? 1, 2 rows. In 2 also, 1 equal to 2, 2 equal to 2, 1 equal to 2, 2 equal to 2, and 3 equal to 2. Here 4 rows matches. What is the non-matching row here? What is the non-matching row? 3. 3 department number, it is not matching. So if the plus symbol dwipe is there, so which means 3 will be there here. Let me here for avoid the confusion. I have a 4 department. Okay. And I have a 3 department as well. I have a 3 department, 4 department. But my employee, I have a up to only 1, 2, 3. See, what is the matching rows on this here? 1 department, 2 department, 3rd department. All the 3 matches present in EMP and department. Non-matching, which means there is no record in the EMP. Only department table available in 4 department. It is not available in the E. So in this query, matching rows, non-matching rows from the left outer means left side table. Understood or not? Matching rows, non-matching rows of a left side. So which means all 1, 2, 3 department and 4th department will be displayed. Hello, any questions here? Understood? Hello?
Just repeat the question.
Yeah, tell me. See, what I'm trying to say, left outer join in the sense matching rows, non-matching rows from the left side. Right outer means matching rows, non-matching rows are the right side data. That's it, simple. So it is extended to the equal operator. That's the reason I am putting equal operator, then plus symbol. So this is a left outer. If I want to put right outer, the plus symbol will be opposite side. Opposite side matlab, the plus symbol move to right outer, right? It will be there in the left side. That's it. Understood? See, if you understood this, so then we'll have a complex queries I will give you, and I will explain to you also. Damn sure that is true. But on top of that, not see, I can say Amazon, Google, Microsoft, they used to give the more complex query. That queries I already taken. I know how to write. That I'm going to explain, and I'll give to homework to you also at the end of the class. Okay. First, you should understand the concept. Forget about the definition and all. I will give you the notes, definitely. I already prepared. Last batches also prepared. Same notes I will give it to you. Don't worry. But you need to listen carefully. That's a thing. If you have any questions, please ask the questions. This is the only one place you can write. You can ask more questions. After getting the job, you don't have any right to ask any question to anyone. If you understood equijoin, non-equijoin, left outer join, right outer join, full outer join in the sense matching rows, non-matching rows from the left side and right side, both, all the rows will come. Cross join and semi join. Self join, cross join, we need to discuss. If you understood the equi, non-equi, left outer, right outer. Hello? Understood?
Can I explain one
Yes,
more?
sir.
Where you are stuck?
The comparison actually.
What I will do, right? I will take one new, then I'll make it bigger. This is the EMP table. This is the department table. This column is a department. This is also department. Just I'm taking one column from each table. Okay. Here is 10th department one, or let's say one department. That employee belongs to second department. One department. This employee belongs to second department, third department, and null and null. Here I have a department one, department number 2, and department number 3, and department number 4. I have a data like this. Now left outer. So let's say left outer means this is the left outer. This table is in the left side. This is right side. So now I'm talking about the left outer join. Okay. This is the left side. This is a right side table. Just for more clarification. Now left outer in the sense equi joins. First equi join in the sense equal rows. What are the equal rows are there? One is it is present in department number. Two also is present in department number. Again, one is repeated EMP, that is also present in department number. Two also present in department number. Three is not present in the three also it is present in the department number. Here is null. Department is a null. So null value, it will not there in the department. Okay. But here is data is there. It's only department number. He has a salary, he has a hire date, he has a employee number, he has a employee name, everything will be there. This row we have a data only department number is empty, mean null. So Left outer join, how it will work? Matching rows from the both the table, non-matching rows of a left side, which means two null rows also it will give you. Total, how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 rows will come. Left outer. Understood? Matches rows, non-matching rows from the left side. Right outer. So if you say right outer. So right outer, how many rows are there? Matches up to 3 matches. Okay. This time only 6 rows will come. Why 6 rows? Non-matching row here is only fourth department only. I don't have any null. I don't have any fifth department. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 matches. Non-matching row. What is the non-matching row? This is the record. So total 6 rows will come. Understood? Left outer, right
The
outer.
non-matching row it should take from left table or right table.
No,
The
no. Can you
left
speak
of
bit louder? Non-matching rows.
non-matching rows, it should take from right or left side for right outer join.
Right outer join, it will take right side. Left outer join, it will take the left outer table. So that's the reason I kept this. This is the left side table. This is the right side table. Now you need to tell me, if you use the left outer join, how many rows will come? Matching rows 5, non-matching rows 2 rows are there, null value. So total 7. Right outer matching rows is 5. Non-matching rows from the right side table is only 1 record. So totally 6 record will come. So what you people do? Again, you need to go through this video one more time. Okay, I am stopping class here. So tomorrow we'll talk about the self join, cross join, semi join. Then we'll go for a subqueries, single row subquery, multi-row subquery, correlated subquery, how it will execute the sample data. Then we'll go for a complex queries, interview queries, or how to write the queries. See, queries don't get confused. More query also, if you understand the concept, slowly, you can write big queries. I will help you to understand. This same question asked in interview. So what they asked, right? I have a table A. Okay. So whatever we are explaining, that is asked by the Oracle company. I have a 1, 2, I have a 2, I have a 3, I have a null table. Table B, same thing they asked me, same values, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, null, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So tell me, equijoin how many rows will get? Left outer join how many rows will get? Right outer join how many rows will get? Same answer. Equijoin, how many rows are joined from the department E? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. How many? 5 rows will be there. So equijoin 5 rows. Left outer. So sir, I'm taking this left outer table. This is right side the table. So the left side table. So left outer in the sense matching rows from 5. Both the table matching. Non-matching from the left side table is 3. Null 2 nulls are there. Total 7. So right side matching rows. Non-matching rows of a right side will be 1 record is there. That is 4. That is 6 rows. That is answer. Understood? I'll share this video as soon as class completed. Then go to this video. I'll give that notes. After this class wise, I'll give you the notes. Better. Understood? Still you are in confusion. So you asked, I don't know your name. I didn't see. Akshal, did you understood this? Jay Kumar, Lokesh, Mahesh Kiran, Natraj, Sharath, Sneha, Vandana. So Vandana Sai, right? So all people understood.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
See, in Google we'll get it definition examples, but this in depth you should get from class only. Okay. So I'm stopping the class here because next class will start 8 to 9. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue this and set operators, then analytical function. See, still we are in the complex view only. But if I write the view on joins, if you write the view on subqueries, if you write the view on with the class, if you write the view analytical functions, that is important. Okay, still we are talking about the complex view only. Simple view is done. Single, that is in real time also. For an interview purpose, they will ask. Real time will not is. Real time only concentrate on the complex view. Okay, that's the reason I'm taking. I'm not confusion, just objects, table we created, views, single row view, simple view, complex view. Complex view with joins, complex with subquery, so complex view with the analytical function. These are the areas most of the interview people will ask. Okay, that's the reason I'm concentrating here. Then we'll go for a indexes, constraints, primary key, foreign key. I will tell you that. Okay. Okay then. So if you don't have any questions, I will back to 2 minutes. If you have any questions, please ask me. No questions? I'm stopping recording.